Hello friends, welcome to Mini Money Mastermind's 3rd episode, and this is Mahara speaking all again. So friends, you might have seen many Indian bank notes somewhere. Like maybe you have seen them in your mother's wallet, or maybe you have seen them lying on a table, or maybe you have even gone to withdraw them yourself in an ATM with your parents. You might have seen one thing in common between all of them, that they have Reserve Bank of India, this phrase mentioned on the top of them. But why is this bank written on the top of them? You might have seen many ATMs too, and none of those ATMs must be named Reserve Bank of India. Then why is it mentioned in every single note? Let me explain. You see, in the banks in which you deposit your money, they are called commercial banks. And the main bank, which is like the sun of all the planets, the central bank, which acts like a sun, and the rest of the commercial banks act like planets. Now, it's not important that all commercial banks together will sum up as 8 because there are 8 planets in our solar system, but no. There are many commercial banks, more than 8, okay, more than 10. So friends, let's learn now, why do we need a central bank? The central bank has some responsibilities in maintaining the country's economy. Some of them are: the central bank provides financial and banking services to its government and the commercial banking system. It also checks that the monetary rules which are made by the government are being followed and prints and issues notes and coins. Most countries issue notes which contain that country's central bank's name on the top. Let me show you through these notes. This is a 500 rupee note. Okay, now this 500 rupee note has the Reserve Bank of India written on the top, both in Hindi and in English. Okay friends, I hope that you are seeing it clearly. And I know that already you must have understood it. Let me show you this through a US dollar too. And you can see on the top there is Federal Reserve written on it. I hope you can see this one as well clearly. Okay. So friends, do you know that we public are connected to the central bank not directly but indirectly? But how? Through commercial banks. Now commercial banks are those banks in which we common public deposit and withdraw our money from. Okay, and now there are 2 types of commercial banks. Commercial banks, first type is public or government banks. Now public or government banks are government controlled, like the State Bank of India, the PNB, BOB, etc. And second type of commercial banks are private banks. Now private banks examples are Kotak Mahindra Bank, there is HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, etc. So how we are connected still? We are connected because where do we get those notes from? The commercial banks do not print the notes because every note is printed by RBI only. RBI has the sole authority to print notes. So friends, let's have a quick recap of what we learned in this video. We learned that every country has a different central bank with a different name. We also learned that the central bank has some responsibilities in maintaining a country's economy. And we also learned that we are connected indirectly to the central bank because it issues notes which we people withdraw and deposit in the commercial banks. There are 2 types of commercial banks, private banks and public or government banks. So friends, that's all for today. Please like and subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. And guys, what I feel is that the subscribers are missing because there are so many views but literally so less subscribers. So please do not forget to subscribe my channel and bye. and stay healthy, because health again is always well.